National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Haskell County to west central Texas, northern Throckmorton County to west central Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was 4 miles south of Rimby, or 13 miles east of Haskell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Storm hazards include quarter-size hail, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Possible storm impacts, a few vehicle dents, minor roof and plastic sign damage, some tree limb damage, weakened trees toppled, unsecured live objects blown around, scattered power outages possible, potentially deadly lightning. The severe thunderstorm will be near the intersection of US 380 and Highway 222 by 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Throckmorton by 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday evening for west central Texas. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday evening for west central Texas.